It has been an amazing experience. My skills have tremendously improved, especially now that I'm able to do logical functions using large data sets.
What stands out most for me is the data analysis and presentation bit. I also liked the lookup functions and the logic functions, which will now make my data analysis to become more easier and more efficient.
Data analysis and visualization was the most important tool that I learned because it simplifies my work, and the work that I would have done in 2 weeks or in a month, I can do it just by a click of a button. And
interesting parts in the training session was, I guess, the practical bits, because after class we got a chance to practically express what we've learned in class. And I think, were it not for that session, I think I still would have been a few steps behind in practicing my Excel skills.
I have already started seeing a lot of improvement because at the moment I came here, there was something that I was working on, which I would say I was stuck with. But from the knowledge that I've gained over the period of time that I've been here, I've been able to do it successfully.
For me, the part that made the most impact was data sorting and also data visualization.
I wanted to go through Excel, advanced Excel, so that by the end of it, I'm better equipped in terms of data analytics and presentation.
Why I decided to apply for this course was because in my profession I work with a lot of data, especially as lab technologies. I have to collect samples and key them into Excel, and also results. So I had challenges in organizing my data and also analyzing.
If you're thinking about taking the Excel course, 1, it's gonna save your time. 2, it's gonna save your the errors that you make, so you'll have limited or less errors. And 3, I think it will just enable you to increase the capacity of your work.
The search started last year when I was looking for an institution that was offering an advanced Excel course. I already realized that there was a gap in my skill set and I wanted to do an advanced Excel course. So I went onto the internet and started looking for institutions that were offering advanced training courses. And that's when corporate staffing came up, and looking through your website, I got a few contacts that I made contact with. And through the response, I now got to find out more information about the training dates, the cost, and other details about the training, and eventually enrolled for the course.
My first contact person was with Pauline. She's quite welcoming and warm, and I can say generally the staff at corporate staffing are quite welcoming and accommodative. So I can highly recommend it to anyone who's wishing or thinking about taking a course in Excel training.
Corporate staffing services is the place to go for any advanced training in Excel because of the knowledge base that is here, the approach that they give the training, which is basically very practical. So I would highly recommend corporate staffing for someone who is looking to take an advanced course in Excel.
If you want to do Excel, corporate staffing is the place to come.